Today we're going to be doing a lava lamp experiment. We saw the lava lamp experiment on YouTube and Insta, but there are two different methods that we saw, and we're so excited to share both of them with you.
I'm so excited.
What you need is, you need oil,
A bowl,
water,
and food color,
half cup, a bowl, food coloring, and some fizzers or
and 2
aspirin or tablets that fizz up.
Guys, I never tried this, but now I'm going to share it with you.
Let's get started. First, you need to put some water in the bowl. So now that you have your water right here, just a little bit, you can add the food coloring inside it.
Yeah, now let's.
I chose blue, Isla chose red.
Now
but
let's see what happens when my hair drops it.
of course, we know what's gonna happen.
It's going to
If you've seen our slide video, you already know that if you mix food coloring with any sort of liquid or material, it will turn into that color.
It's blue now.
This is exactly what we had on our white slide. We put some drops and it turned into a different color.
The first step is done. So now we need oil.
Okay, so let's take this over here.
And get some oil.
This oil is heavy.
Yeah.
Add some oil. I think that's enough. And now,
Now second step is done.
Now, step number 3, we have to add this food
The
coloring.
blue coloring in the wood. Let's see what happens. It turned blue.
Now let's mix it up. I think this should turn into a sort of turquoise or something like that. So oil and water, guys, will not mix up, so it has to settle down in probably 1 or 2 minutes. So as you can see, the food coloring water is settling at the bottom and the oil is at the top. That's because they will never mix. Now the fun part begins. Okay guys, so this is the fun part.
Yes.
We're going to be adding some fizzers.
Yeah.
Aspirin is fine if you even have some.
Yeah, we just have to add one in, and then I don't know what's gonna happen.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Put it in your hands.
What's happening? It's starting to bubble, guys.
Oh wow!
Whoa. Guys, it's rising up.
And
It's creating a protective barrier at the top.
it's
This
good.
is amazing.
Yeah, this is the best experiment ever.
What's happening?
The fizzer trying to make some bubbles in there.
There's materials going up, materials going down, the whole water's changing. What's happening?
Hey, Rahel, look at the top.
Oh my god. Guys, I'm sure that you would want to try this experiment at home. It's literally so fun. We're going to be doing the same experiment but in a different procedure, and we're going to be seeing how different the outcome is. Isla, are you ready to do yours?
Yes. This is my experiment, and I'm going to teach you how to do it. And first of all, we need some oil. And look at it.
We have to fill it
You see?
halfway.
Yep. And that sure is enough for Rahel. I need water now, Rahel.
Here it is.
Stop, Rahel. I think that's enough.
What happened? All of the water from here went down there.
And then now the oil's on top and makes so much bubble.
What happened? I think we need some more water.
Yeah, I think so. That's it, Rahel. Now our favorite part. I'll be using the food color.
Just add around 2 or 3 drops. Add 2 drops. The food coloring is not going to the bottom. It's just resting. It just rested with the oil. After a few seconds that it's been resting, the little droplet of food coloring just falls into the water. See, as you can see.
Oh, let me put this fizz in. 3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa.
But it's fizzing.
Guys, the red was down over here, But now that we put the fizzer, it's going to the top. What is happening?
I don't know.
Look, there's a bubble.
It's a big one. Whoa.
Hey guys, what do you think?
Yeah.
Two different ways to make the same experiment, and it looks so cool. This one is doing a lot of things right now, and this one already finished, and it's a lot of bubbles
Hey
at the top.
guys, I'm so surprised. The fizzer disappeared.
Guys, the fizzer fully dissolved in the water. Some people might think, why does the oil not mix with the water? There's a whole scientific explanation to that, but it's okay to be curious and explore the world around you. Science is a beautiful subject. There's amazing experiments out there, sort of mixing two chemicals together, making lava lamps. They're all chemistry and they're amazing.
Hi, let me tell you something. How about we can put it together?
Oh yeah, why not? Yeah. So guys, because my sister is so curious, we're going to be adding these two lava lamps together and adding an extra fizzer to see what happens.
That's a good idea, Rahel.
You can put that in. Did you put all?
Wow. Hey, let's make one fizzer.
What for? Fizzer. 3, 2. It actually looks like lava now, guys. Hey, if you look properly over here, and it's slowly becoming smaller, and the bubbles are rising from the fizzer over there. So guys, don't worry about the mess, because whenever you do experiments, you have to clean up what you did. So,
I hope you like my experiment more than Rahel's.
same goes with me. Guys, while we were doing this lava lamp experiment, it actually started to rain. You can see it over there. Bye viewers, it's very cold outside, it's raining, and it's windy. Hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified when a brand new video comes out. And for now, bye!